Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying your hardware and operating system. This determines the exact driver package you need. Open Device Manager or run LSBCI, note the Nvidia model and memory size, and confirm 32 versus 64-bit OS. Once done, choose the correct driver branch, GeForce for gaming, Quadro/RTX for workstation cards, because installer compatibility matters. Make sure to record the GPU name and OS build. This saves time when searching and prevents installing an incompatible driver. Now you locate the matching driver. Use Nvidia manual search or let GeForce Experience detect your card automatically. Select product series, OS, and download type, game ready for gameplay, studio for creative apps, because each optimizes different workloads. Click Download and save the installer to a known folder. Checking the file size helps spot incomplete downloads. If available, compare checksums to ensure integrity. Once downloaded, close background apps so the installer can update system files cleanly. You run the downloaded installer with administrator rights and choose Custom, then perform clean install to remove old remnants and avoid conflicts. Install completes faster if you close games and GPU utilities, then reboot immediately because driver services load at startup. After reboot, verify operation in Device Manager or with Nvidia SMI on Linux and test a GPU workload. If you hit black screens or driver crashes, use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove drivers fully, then reinstall a stable, earlier driver. This resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.